Plex Quality Management delivers a closed-loop quality system that reduces redundant activities and variation in your operations, resulting in increased process repeatability. You can extend the system to improve supplier quality and rely on it for all of your quality certifications. Closed-loop quality governs operational behavior from plan to execution. Supplier quality reduces risk in your supply chain and ease the burden of achieving and maintaining industry and customer quality certifications. Let's take a look at how Plex ensures that quality is more than a planning activity. It reinforces daily behavior on the shop floor. Select the main menu to show all of the functional areas of Plex. From the Quality Management menu, you can see a wide variety of work streams typical of a quality team. Plex Quality Management helps you to author core quality documents during the product introduction process. Just as importantly, it ensures that they are updated throughout the product lifecycle, making them living, breathing documents. This results in a closed-loop quality system that helps you drive continuous improvement. Here you can see the complete list of specifications and the risk priorities color-coded in red, yellow, and green. The action bar shows all of the options for this screen. At this point, only the first and last are available. After selecting an operation, the other relevant options become clickable. Plex automatically offers in-process check sheets based on the control plan. This ensures that shop floor associates complete their quality checks before production is allowed to be recorded. You can share your instance of Plex with your customers or suppliers at no additional charge. Using the search box, let's navigate to the supplier PPAP process. For convenience, commonly accessed screens can always be added as a favorite. The Supplier PPAP module allows suppliers to upload their submission packages for review and approval. All required documents are prepared digitally and are available online by customers and suppliers. These digital documents are a single source of truth, unlike paper documents that can be out of date. The Problem Control module supports internal, customer, and supplier corrective actions. Simply click on a problem and use the action bar to edit. You can utilize built-in tools to identify and respond to trends, patterns, and recurrences in supplier quality concerns. The Problem Control module supports all of the standard 8D problem-solving methodologies, as well as streamlining the cost recovery process. Using the Favorites menu, you can jump directly to Supplier Management to see the complete list of suppliers. Your saved favorites allow you to quickly navigate to commonly used screens. Let's use the Favorites again to look at the compliance system. In many industries, you can maintain any requirements imposed by your industry, such as AS 9100 in aerospace or the new IATF standard in automotive. Auditors love Plex because everything they need is in one place and all evidence documents are linked to their respective sections. Plex delivers a closed-loop quality management system that includes supplier quality and manages industry and customer quality certifications. To learn more or see a more detailed demonstration, please contact Plex at 855-534-8012 or visit plex.com/contact.